put on some makeup. Maybe I'll get me a man tonight. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I am LaDonna J. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I do videos on beauty, fashion, a little bit of lifestyle. I will be getting a little bit more into lifestyle, like vlogs and stuff. But if you are not new, hey y'all, what's going on? What's poppin'? How y'all been? I haven't seen y'all in a minute. Today's video, we are going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me, update type of thing. From beginning to end, from makeup, hair, outfit, everything. I hope that you enjoy. I know I have been MIA for some months now, but we'll get into that. Nothing bad or anything like that. It's just you need time for yourself, and I work a lot, so yeah. But without further ado, if you guys want to see how I get into my fall vibes and how I'm going to get ready for dinner with my coworkers, stay tuned. Eyebrows are done. So I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty True Matte Pro Filter Mattifying Primer Base to mattify my face. This isn't my favorite just because it burns my eyes. I don't know why, but I seem like every time I use this, it burns my eyes, but whatever, I'm gonna use it. I'll get over it. So I'm just gonna prime my face with this. So where have I been, y'all? Nowhere. Working. I know last time I did like one of these updates, I said I had quit my second job, because I had saved up enough money and blah, 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 blah. Which I did, and I still do have money saved, but I ended up getting another second job, just because who isn't motivated by money and who doesn't want to have money, so that way you can buy the things that you want, right? I mean, I know that I do. So I ended up getting a second job, my night job, other than my day job. So I ended up getting a night job, which I worked for a couple months, and that was hard. It was part-time this time. It was a little bit easier, but it was still hard. So I ended up quitting. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. And then working my day job, of course. And honestly, you guys, I've stopped all social media. I'm going with my Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. Quit all social media. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you wouldn't know, but which you should. You should follow me on Instagram. I will be back soon. But however, I stopped all social media just to focus on myself and my mental health. I definitely do believe in that. I did find myself looking at other people's lives and questioning mine, which is definitely not a good thing. You definitely don't want to compare your life to anybody else's, because God makes no mistakes. So I was like, I need to stop social media. I need to just focus on me and my life and all of that good stuff. So that's why I stopped going on social media. It's just I needed a mental break, and that is okay, you guys. Sometimes if you need a mental break, take it. It is okay. There's nothing wrong with mental breaks. Your mental health is first. So that was my reasoning. And I'm still not 100% on Instagram or anything, just because I still want some more time. And that is pretty much it. I mean, I haven't really been doing much of anything, just working and hanging out at home with my family. And then I still have my braces. I'm over these things as well, for sure. So I want them off, but obviously I can't, because my bottom ones, as you can see, they have to rotate. So they're in the process of rotating, and this ish hurts because my bottom teeth are rotating. My top ones are already straight. Those ones didn't have much to do in the first place, but the bottom ones were the reason I ended up getting braces, to be quite honest with you. So I'm going to go in with that LA Pro Conceal in Toffee again to, come on out, to highlight my under eye. I'm going for a bright under eye because, like I said, I'm wearing a hat, so I want my under eyes to be bright. Yeah. I've been watching a lot of makeup tutorials lately because I want to get better with my technique. I mean, I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, I want to be flawless. Like, I want to be like natural, of course. Like, I don't like a lot of makeup. I've never been that girl to like a lot of makeup. What, that brown smoke, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. That look. I love that look. That's me. So I'm going to be trying that today. Hopefully I can execute it. Did I tell y'all what I was doing? Probably not. Tonight I am going to dinner with my co-workers. We've been since the summer, so the past few months, I should say, we've been going to El Jardín. Tonight, I'm liking it. It's bright. It's giving what I wanted it to give. So yeah, that's what I'm doing tonight with the girls. So as you guys can see, I've set my under eye, just like by pressing it in, and this is the Morphe sponge. So I'm just pushing that translucent powder into my skin. I'm not baking just yet. When I tell you I want a matte face, I want a matte face. I want my face to be dry, okay? Just like my phone. No, I'm just kidding. But I want my phone, I want my face to be matte. So I think the last time I talked to y'all, I was talking about how I wanted to move to LA. I was just talking to my friend who ended up moving to LA. She's back for the holidays. So now I'm about to bake. And she was just like, you know, it'll happen when it's time. Which I mean, I know it will. That is still my dream. I do want to eventually move to LA. I will move to LA, manifest, speak that shit into existence. So yeah, that is still something that I want to do. And then I was thinking of going back to school. I want to do a hygienist. I still want to be in the dental field, of course, but I want to be a hygienist, go to school for a hygienist. They make a little bit more money than a dental assistant. Yeah, I can do like RDA. My job will pay for it, but I don't know if I want to be an RDA. I think I just want to go be a hygienist. So I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match, my face powder in the color Coco. And I'm just setting the rest of my face. I'm going to wipe it away. This is a e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm just going to wipe away this powder. Yeah, but that's all that I've been up to. Nothing too much. Literally just working and chilling. That's all that your girl has been up to. But I am excited to be coming back to YouTube. I was telling my friend and my coworker, like, I honestly enjoy filming videos and editing. It's how I get to be like creative and do more with my time instead of sleeping, because I can be a professional sleeper. I can be anything professional lazy. If y'all need someone, hit me up, because I can do that. That will be the easiest job for me. I honestly do enjoy filming YouTube and, you know, putting out content, because even as I was, you know, off from doing this, I was still getting questions on, how did you do that? how do you do this? How'd you get your hair like that? Like, I still get questions on a daily, and it just makes me miss YouTube, because that's why I started in the first place, because I was getting so many questions in my day-to-day life of how I did things. And that's why I created my YouTube channel. So that made me reflect back, like, oh, I need to get back and start doing YouTube again, because people enjoy, you know, to see how I got something done, or how I did this. So it was nice to have me reflect and help me understand why I started doing YouTube in the first place, and it made me want to get back to it. So I'm gonna go bronze my face with the Morphe Glamour Bronze in Phenom and an angled brush. But yeah, that made me feel honestly so good, because people enjoy what I do, and that, like I said, that's why I started my YouTube channel, because I would get so many questions: how I did my makeup, how I did my eyebrows, what eyelashes I was wearing, or where did I buy my clothes as a plus size woman. So, you know, it was nice. I definitely missed y'all. I hope y'all missed me. Thank you guys for subscribing. I am almost at 700 subscribers, which I know is not a big deal for most, but for me, it's a big deal. Because like I said, I come and I go, I come and I go, but to have 700 subscribers, I'm like, whoa, you know, that's not like I said, that's not a lot to a lot of people, but to me, it's a lot, and I appreciate you guys, and I love you guys, and I see you guys, and thank you so much for supporting me. It means nothing but the world to me. So thank y'all so much. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I would love to have you part of the LaDonna J family. So I'm just bronzing up my face. So now I'm gonna go in and do my eyeshadow, and like I said, I want to do that brown, like smoky look. Yeah, that's what I want to do. And I'm going to use, I was thinking Kenya from the Juvia's Place palette. I was thinking this one, but I don't know if that's going to be like too dark. So then I have the Cover FX palette, and this is in the color Shadow. This one right here. Right here, it's a contour, but we're going to use it for whatever. So I'm going to try this one in the Cover FX. I see a lot of girls be doing this when they have their lash extensions, so I'm going to just do it too. I'm going to just do it too, or whatever. Is this showing up? Is this doing what girl, is this giving? Is it showing? I mean, I do have some of that oh, I see it. I see you. I do have some of Kenya on this brush, but whatever. So it is a mix, but it is giving it, y'all. It's giving it. It's giving, yes. Okay, so we just about to put this on the lid, and I like this. It's coming out like I wanted it to, you guys. Oh. Well, like I said, I'm going crazy. Oh, that's cute. Perfect. Ooh. So now I'm just gonna throw on, like, honestly, you guys, I'm not even gonna put on eyelashes, because like I said, I'm wearing a hat. So the hat's gonna be like up here. So it's not really about to, y'all ain't really about to see it. But I'm about to put my moles back on my face that I lost with all the powder. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. And we Gucci. And then throw on a lippy. I'm gonna spray my face down with the Morphe Continuous. All right, y'all. So makeup is done. Like I said, I'm not gonna put on eyelashes because I'm wearing a hat and it makes no sense because you're not going to see them, but I did do my bottom eyelashes. I swear my bottom lashes and my top lashes got mixed up because my bottom lashes are so long and my top ones are non-existent. So yeah, for the lips, I'm going to go in with Fully Loaded Liquid Matte. This is from my friend's line. It's just like a true chocolate. It's literally like a chocolate, and I'm going to outline my lips with it. I overline my lips. I'm going with this Essence Mega Shine. I like to get my lips real glossy. And sometimes I'll leave it like this. Sometimes I won't. Most of the time I don't. I go all over. Going with Praline from NYX Butter Gloss. I know, a lot. Don't judge me. But this is the lip combo. And I go over that brown. I'm just gonna clip in some hair so that way I have some length to it. Because like I said, we are wearing a hat, so I'm about to do that real quick. All right, so this is the outfit. It's a plaid dress, and I got on some, what are these called? Combat boots. So this is it. This hat, I got it from, I think I got this from Burlington Coat Factory. This plaid dress, I got it from Boohoo. This belt is also from Boohoo. And my combat boots are from Wally World Walmart. So this is the fall vibes. This is the look for tonight. It is a little short or whatever, but that's okay. It's nighttime. So, and then I'm going to be carrying my Tory Burch. So yeah. All right, beautiful people, that was the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you were inspired, if you would try this look, I would love to see it. If it was giving you fall vibes or whatever, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you are not already. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram for more fashion looks that I don't be posting on here. And until my next one, beautiful people, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.